Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe. I'm your grade 3 science teacher. Today, let us do kinds of food as 3 kinds of food in a family. From block 4, diversity in food we eat. Children, in the previous class, we have learned the popular foods of different parts of India and the popular foods of different countries. Now, today we are going to learn the different kinds of foods eaten in a family. Even the people of family eat different kinds of food. So in a family we can see 3 kinds of people. Who are they? Children, adults and old persons. Children are like small babies and are of same age of you, and adults like your parents, aunts and uncles, and old persons like your grandparents. So are they eating same kind of food? No, because the children, most of the small babies, they'll have more milk and more the soft food. We would prefer soft food for the children, whereas adults, they eat wide variety of foods like rice, roti and spicy foods. Even they can eat, adults, whereas the old persons, they eat soups, steamed vegetables. Children will eat mashed fruits, soft foods, kheer and porridge. That means why the children are preferring only the very soft food, because their digestive capacity is very low. The small babies can digest only the soft foods. So on that basis we are giving for the children very light food like mashed fruits, soft foods, kheer and porridge. Whereas adults, they will have more physical activity, and they can eat wide variety of foods like rice, roti, spicy foods. So their digestive capacity is very active and it is more, whereas it is less in the children. So wide variety of foods like rice, roti, spicy foods, when everything is wide variety, when they are eating, even they can digest that. Whereas old persons, you can see old persons, soups and steamed vegetables they will prefer. Sometimes you might have heard that grandparents, no, I don't eat this one, I cannot break these nuts. So why they are saying? Because their teeth is not strong. Whereas in this children also, you can see the small babies, they don't have very strong teeth. So some of the hard foods they cannot break by their teeth, even they cannot digest the food. So most of the soft foods are eaten by children and the old persons. So they would like to prefer the soft mashed food, whereas old persons, they eat steamed vegetables. Sometimes we can see the adults who are strong enough, they can also eat rice and roti, but they will take very light food. So whereas children, they will prefer only, we would like to prefer to give only very light food so that they can easily digest their food. So these are the 3 kinds of people we can see. Even the persons who are living in a one family is also having a different food habits. Children, whereas does a teacher needs a more food variety of foods to eat, or a sports person needs a very physical activity is more. For the sports person, he needs more energy to play, to do physical activity for the sports person, whereas for the teacher, she needs very less compared to the sports person. So he needs more energy giving foods. So on that basis, according to the requirement of the body, requirement of the person, we will try to take the food items. So these are the kinds of food in a family. Okay, children, now open your readers. Children, open your reader, page number 89. Kinds of food eaten in a family. People in the same family eat different kinds of food. Babies drink a lot of milk and eat foods like porridge, kheer, eggs, and mashed fruits. Old people eat foods like steamed vegetables, porridge, soft pieces of meat, and soup. And old people usually do not eat very oily or spicy foods. Old people, they will not eat very oily and spicy foods. Babies and some old people may not have teeth, so they eat the foods that are soft. Whereas young people as well as middle-aged adults, they eat wide variety of foods like rice, chapatis, fish and meat curries, pulses and paneer dishes. Children, underline this: spicy and mashed, steamed. Read the lesson. Now complete the practice questions also. Today you are going to complete 5th and 6th practice questions. Name 2 kinds of foods that old people and middle-aged adults eat. What is the 2 kinds of food that old people eat? They will eat here. Old people usually do not eat. Old people eat steamed vegetables and porridge and soft pieces of meat and soup. Whereas middle-aged people, they eat, young people as well as middle-aged adults eat wide variety of foods like rice, chapati, fish and meat curries. So any 2 items you can write. Now see the 6th question. Why do babies and old people like to eat soft foods? So why do babies and old people like to eat soft foods? Because babies and some old people may not have proper teeth or may not have a strong teeth. So they eat the foods that are soft. So complete these 2 answers, children, 5th and 6th. Now open your classwork. Now open your workbook. Open your workbook, page number 32, children. See here, kinds of food in a family. You should write today's date and complete this S3. Tick the food items that are preferred by old people. They have given here food items, different food items. So already we have learned in the class. So which food items are preferred by old people, you are going to identify and you are going to put a tick mark there. So porridge, which is a soft food item. So this is preferred by old people. Steamed vegetables is also preferred by old people. And pizza, chili chicken. Whereas the spicy foods, they don't prefer. Whereas chapati, rice, even this is an optional, they can eat. Chapati, rice and pastry. So these are the 2 food items old people can prefer. Now, why can adults like your parents eat a larger variety of foods than older people like your grandparents? So adults like our parents, they are able to digest a larger variety of foods. They also have strong teeth, which old people sometimes do not have. See the 3rd question. Who need to eat more energy rich foods like ghee, milk and nuts? A laborer or an office worker? A laborer would need more energy rich food items as he does a lot of physical work. So laborer needs more energy rich food items. So complete this worksheet, children. Write the keywords and complete all your homeworks.